Okay, the question says find the equation of a parabolic function h of x if we are given the sketch which is below. So this is the curve or the quadratic or rather the parabolic function of h of x. What we are given are 3 points, namely the y-intercept which is 0 and minus 3, and the other point which is minus 1 and minus 8, and also our third point which is 5 and minus 8. So from here, what we are going to do, from the previous video we discussed that when we are finding the equation of the parabolic function or the quadratic function, there are 3 methods that we have to choose from. So from those methods, right now we are going to use the third method, which was saying that, or which says that y is equal to a x squared plus b x plus c. So from what we are given, we'll see that we already have our y-intercept. We have our y-intercept. And our y-intercept is equal to 0 and minus 3. So which means that we are already given the value of c. It's going to be minus 3 from this equation. Since you remember that when we are finding our y-intercept, on our y-intercept x is equal to 0. So in the place of x we are going to have 0, 0. So b is going to be 0, a is going to be 0. Yes, since x is going to multiply with a, everything is going to be 0, and the only thing which will be left will be the symbol of c. So from here we are going to say, or we are going to say then y is equal to ax squared plus bx minus c. That's what we have for now. So to find the other a and b, we are going to do it like this, using the first coordinate. The first coordinate that I'm going to pick up from our function will be minus 1 and minus 8. So we are going to say, using minus 1 and minus 8, these are the coordinates that we chose, minus 1 and minus 8. We are going to say, we are going to substitute minus 8 where there's y on this formula and minus 1 where there's x. So we are going to say minus 8 is equal to a, open brackets, minus 1 squared plus b multiplied by 1, or your minus 1, minus 3. This is going to give us minus 8 is equal to minus 1 squared inside brackets is 1. So this is going to give us a, so this is going to give us minus b, then minus 3. Minus 3. So let's scroll down. So from here we are going to have minus, it will be minus 8, then we move the 3 to the other side, so it's going to be minus 8 plus 3, so it's going to give us minus 5. So it's going to give us a minus b. So let's make our b the subject of the formula. We're moving the a to the other side, then after that we divide both sides by a negative. So it's going to give us b is equal to 5 plus a. So we are going to name this our equation 1. Then from here we are going to use the second coordinates that we were given, which is 5 and minus 8. So again you're going to say, using 5 and minus 8, we get minus 8. We are applying the same method that we used to find equation 1, substituting. So here will be 5 squared plus b multiplied by 5 minus 3. So here we're going to have minus 8 is equal to, then here is going to be 25. So we're going to have 25a plus 5b minus c. At this point we are going to move minus 3 to the other side. So we are going to have minus 5 is equal to 25a plus b, oh sorry, plus 5b. So we are going to divide both sides by minus 5. So we are going to by 5. So we are going to have minus 1 is equal to 5a plus b. So we're going to make also here b the subject of the formula. So we're going to have b is equal to minus 1 minus 5a, which means we are taking 5a to the other side, which is our left hand side. We're going to have minus 5a minus 1, or minus 1 minus 5a. It's the same thing. So we are going to name this our equation 2. So right now we have equation 1 and equation 2, and they're both equal to b because we want it to be simple to solve. So from here we are going to equate the two, equation 1 and equation 2. So we are going to say equation 1, we are equating it to equation 2. So our equation 1 was, at b it was equal to 5 plus a, and 5 plus a is equal to minus 5a minus 1 So this is going to give us that we are going to take a 5a on the left hand side and 5 on the right hand side. So it's going to be sorry, where's my pen? A plus 5a is equal to minus 1 minus 5, which is going to give us that 6a is equal to minus 6, which means that our a is equal to minus 1. So from here we have found the value of a. So from here what we are going to do is substitute the value of a, which means a, into a. You can use any equation, so we are going to use equation, let's see which one. Okay, let's pick 2 into equation 2. So what we are going to have, we're going to have b is equal to minus 1 minus 5. So in the place of a we are putting minus 1. Therefore b is equal to minus 1 plus 5. So b is equal to 4. So since we have found the value of a, b, c right now, which means the equation of h of x is equal to minus x squared plus 4x minus c. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share our videos, and click here to subscribe, and also click here to watch more educational videos from Recurring Reflections. And don't forget to get in touch with us on our social medias account.